So let's now talk about what is happening with NBA basketball and in the wider world of professional sports as it relates to the stars becoming more vocal, more strident, and more visible in the fight against social injustices such as racism and police brutality. On a moral and emotional level, speaking out against any form of injustice is always the right thing to do. But, on the other hand, it has long been an established norm that sports, politics, and religion should not mix and mingle. But these are not normal times, so the rules are evolving. But we must also accept that when the NBA and other professional sports start taking over the functions of elected political representatives and lawmakers, it could be at the detriment of the sports product. Sports did not build its reputation and its fan base on championing social and political causes. Most sports fans watch sports for the thrills and spills of the competitive spectacle. Many sports fans use sports as an escape from the harsh and often unpleasant realities of life. So to basically bombard these same sports-loving fans with the worst and most horrific actions of humanity, I think, is running a risk of chasing more and more fans away from sports. The question is this a risk worth taking?